their XRP. And the other products that we're bringing to market, very similar. They're using traditional means to be able to leverage the asset or get exposure to stuff to be able to generate very low risk returns and yield for our clients. And after we get a DeFi bill passed that allows, there's going to have to be some centralization of this stuff. I know people don't want to hear that, but you need to be able to understand who you're participating with in these ecosystems. There needs to be oversight. There needs to be accountability. You can't just have people running rampant scamming people like it has been. And the institutions aren't going to adopt it or start using it until that's the case. So again, this is why I think the XRPL is so much further ahead of everybody else, is because they do have digital identity. They have credentials for KYB, KYC accreditation, qualified purchaser, AP, whatever qualification you have in order to be able to participate in different ecosystems. Also, a couple other things that I saw just thinking about it. EquityZen and Morgan Stanley have partnered up. I got that announcement today, which was pretty cool to see. So EquityZen is a platform that does private equity. Morgan Stanley does have a Series A and B marketplace. So there may be something there where, EquityZen tends to be later stage stuff like Series B plus. So maybe there's something where Morgan Stanley is going to be selling their equities to EquityZen to be able to then market that on and get their clients returns in a shorter duration. Because that's really the opposition for a lot of people, participating in private equity is you're locked up for 3, 4, 5, 10, 12 years. I mean, Ripple was founded in 2012. Their Series A invested at pennies. Obviously, they've done pretty well with the tender offers and everything else that they've done at this point. But we are here 14 years later, almost, and still no liquidity event for those investors, at least through the traditional lens of an IPO, right? So I think that that's going to be a big piece of what happens over the next 2 to 3 years is tokenization of private equity. The multi-purpose token on the XRPL is a big piece of that. I think that people will leverage that because you're going to be able to issue different types of share classes on chain that are fungible but have different voting rights and different things. Again, the XRPL is, in my opinion, the most institutional blockchain there is out there in the market right now, and continues to bring things through these amendments to itself that other people, it's just light years ahead of the rest of the industry.